Alesis NITRO drum module with cable snake harness and power adapter. Includes Alesis NITRO module, cable snake harness, power adapter and user manual. 40 ready-to-play classic and modern kits, 385 drum and percussion sounds, 60 built-in play-along tracks, sequencer, metronome, and performance recorder. CDM MP3 input to play along with your own songs. USB MIDI connection for virtual instruments and recording software. Expanded sounds. The Nitro module is filled with sounds and surprises. The Backlit LCD screen makes navigation a breeze. Drum and cymbal buttons are arranged to resemble the layout of a traditional kit, so it's simple to assign sounds and create kits quickly. The Nitro module comes complete with 40 classic and modern ready-to-play kits. Easily tweak any existing kit or create your own using the 385 superior drum, cymbal, and percussion sounds included in the Nitro module. Expanded features. Inside the Nitro module you'll also find valuable extras. The built-in learning features, 60 play-along music tracks, and an onboard metronome allow you to improve your skills. There is even an advanced sequencer and a performance recorder to expand your music-making potential. In addition to the USB MIDI connection for use with computers and mobile devices, the Nitro module also offers up some old-school MIDI in and out jacks, so you can hook up to your favorite MIDI-equipped gear. There is a headphone jack for private practice, plus stereo outs to connect to a PA system, amplifier, or recording console. The stereo input allows you to jam along to your favorite tracks on your CD or MP3 player. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.